9:30 and every day I wake up at 9:30, like somewhere between 9:30 to 10 a.m. I always wake up. I'm gonna go brush my teeth, drink a lot of water and go and like sit for some time and then probably go and grab some breakfast. So I don't really check my phone like for the first 1 or 2 hours of the day. So yeah, I'm not going to touch my phone. I switched off my alarm and that's it. I'm not going to touch my phone. I just thought that today I'll just pick up the camera and start vlogging because today is actually quite a productive day for me, I would say. I mean, I am going to be filming a lot of videos and doing a lot of content creation for Instagram and YouTube. So I just thought it'll be a lot of fun because other days it's just me sitting around and watching Netflix or doing something like that. Let me just go and brush my teeth and I'll see you guys later. My workout outfit because we're gonna go and work out right now. So the time right now is 11:30. It's 11:31. So this is the time that I go and work out, and I work out for like 1 hour. So Sundays is like the day off, which is what happens, you know, in a regular world as well. So now because I can't go to the gym, I actually work out with my trainer. So she comes on a video call and then she just tells me what to do. It's one of my favorite times of the day is to just go and work out because I'm just so used to it. I've been doing it for such a long time. And then the first time that I touch my phone after waking up is when I work out. So at 11:30. So after 2 hours, like I'll have my breakfast, I'll just sit with my family and talk, we'll watch TV, we'll do something, I'll read the newspaper and something like that, and I will not touch my phone at all. And it's been so good for my mental health. Really proud of myself. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna go and work out because I'm getting kind of late. Okay guys, confession time. So this is actually not my bedroom. This is actually an extra room in our house that I use for filming, as you can see from the background. But today I'm gonna film the workout video here because I won't really be able to set up the camera like how I want to in my bedroom. So just for today I'm gonna be working out here. We are done with the workout. So yeah, I'm just going to go drink lots of water, sit for some time and then go take a shower, and I'll see you guys during lunchtime. Now it's lunchtime and I have my bowl of salad here. So this is the first course. So it has rajma, tofu, and a lot of veggies, and that's about it. So I'm gonna have this first, and then after this I'm gonna have whatever that's been made at home. So today they've made like a mixed vegetable with dal, so I'm gonna have that, and yeah, that's it. This is going to be my lunch. Let's take a bite and see how it is. Tastes so damn good. Like, you guys have to try it if you haven't. Okay guys, so the plan for the rest of the afternoon is actually to shoot a couple of videos, and to shoot a couple of pictures for Instagram and maybe make some TikTok videos as well. I know for a fact that once this lockdown is over and everything starts going back to normal, I won't be able to put as much TikTok as I want to, because actually it takes a lot of effort to make the kind of TikTok videos that I make. I mean, the videos are very short, but I always make like so many outfit changes. We're gonna be doing that. So I've already made a plan of the kind of videos and pictures I want to shoot today. So one of the first things that I'm going to do, and something that I'm very excited for, is I'm going to do a money heist themed video for Instagram. So what I'm going to do now is to sort out all of the outfits for the professor and for all the other characters that I've planned. So we are ready to shoot, and here is my setup. So I've got my lights there, my stand. I will fix it like somewhere else, and I have all of my clothes here. I know it's a bit of a mess, but that's how I work. And I've finished doing my makeup. So yeah, my makeup is done. Obviously I'm still in my pajamas, so I'm gonna go and change into the outfits and try to show you guys what goes on behind the scenes. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we are almost done shooting. Like, I'm done shooting the videos, so now I just want to take some pictures, and I have a few ideas that I've written down on my phone over here. So I'm going to go through them and see what we can do right now. And as you can see, the golden light is hitting my face perfectly, and look how nice it looks. I'm really liking this outfit, by the way. This outfit has been inspired by Nairobi from Money Heist, but I think I really like this outfit in general. Like, how cool and badass does this look? I don't know why, but I really like it. I think it looks very cool. We are finally done shooting. I took a couple of pictures, I took a couple of videos. The sun is setting, so I'm gonna pack everything up and go to my room. After this, you know, I'm just going to continue reading my book. I'm gonna finish up this popcorn, and that's it. I mean, what else can you do at this time? There's really nothing else to do after this. So on some nights I like to make dinner for the family, because obviously we are all dividing the chores. So tonight I thought, okay, I'll make the dinner, because anyway I'm vlogging, and that can be like another activity to like add on the vlog. So yeah, I mean, I'm not just making dinner for this vlog. I make dinner on other days as well, but I just don't make it every single day. my face, but I am sweating so much. Anyway, my dinner is ready and I'm gonna go and enjoy this with my family. I will catch you guys later. So one very important thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that don't think that, you know, that you are not doing anything and everyone else in the world is being very productive, doing this or doing that. I know in this vlog I probably did a couple of things, but trust me, every day is not like this. I really hope you guys understand that just because I showed you guys this doesn't mean that this is what is happening every day. But anyway, I just wanted to come here and end this vlog. I really hope that this vlog wasn't boring. Every time I make a vlog, it's either because I'm going out or I'm having a very busy day or something like that, or I'm traveling. But this is the first time I made a vlog just being at home, and it's actually making me nervous because I don't know how it's going to turn out. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.